Guys, do you want to know how to get Schedule 1 for free? But I'm going to show you today how to go ahead and get the full game of Schedule 1 for completely free. This game is a very highly rated 10 out of 10 on Steam. And I'm going to show you how to get a free digital game code that's going to save you the best part of $20. And it is super easy. I spent a few hours this morning trying to find a method on how to get Schedule 1 for completely free, and I'm super excited to tell you I managed to find a way to get the game, and it literally takes just a few minutes. So everyone can do this using just your mobile phone, and you need to open up the internet browser and go to robotcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it in. Robot Coupons, robotcoupons.com. And when you reach this website, they have lots of different pages once it loads up. Apologies for this. This is what 2 megabytes per second internet gets you. Anyway, once this loads up, guys, hopefully yours loads a bit quicker than mine. Like I said, my internet's pretty bad, so you've got to go to the search bar and search for Schedule 1, and it should pop up Schedule 1 free game code. Okay, I'm back. I just restarted my internet, and basically, guys, you've got to go to the Schedule 1 page. So hopefully the tutorial has not been too annoying thus far, so hopefully the internet works. But anyway, when you reach this page, you can see there is a limited number of game codes available. So you need to click on show code, and because this game costs $20, it does limit 1 code per person. You will need to unlock your Schedule 1 game code, so go ahead and tap on unlock code. And this is going to load up. As you can see, it takes a few seconds for this to count up to 100%, so let's just wait. And then you're going to see this code unlocker, Schedule 1 code unlocker. You need to follow the instructions on this page to unlock your game code. It says complete 2 of the free apps the survey offers below to unlock your code, and follow the instructions below each app. So I have a list of free tasks. You can see they're all completely free. And these are things like, they can be for things like mobile games, where you have to play certain games until certain levels. Alternatively, there can be, I've got mostly surveys. These are free surveys where you basically have to click on them, and you have to answer the questions and input your valid email address. So if you put in your email, make sure you put in the correct one, because it does verify you as a real person. So you just need to follow the 2 tasks that you choose, and you can see there is a description telling you what you need to do. And once you fully complete 2 of those tasks, it will redirect you back to Robot Coupons. Once this loads up, it should redirect you back to this page, and your game code will be fully unlocked. So if you complete the steps that I showed you, your code will be revealed, and you can redeem it in the Steam store, and it's going to get you Schedule 1 for completely free. So pretty easy, guys. It does take a few minutes. You just got to go to Robot Coupons and search for the Schedule 1 page. And reach this page, make sure you unlock your code, follow the instructions. It will take you a few minutes, but it is well worth it. Enjoy the game, guys. Smash the like button, leave a comment below, let me know what you think of the game, subscribe to my YouTube channel, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.